Welcome to today's special episode, where we're going to explore one of the most exciting and perhaps unsettling developments in the field of artificial intelligence, the rise of autonomous AI agents in 2025. This phenomenon represents a new era in AI, where machines are not just capable of performing tasks autonomously, but are also beginning to make decisions that can impact our daily lives in profound ways.
That's right. And what's fascinating is how quickly this field has evolved. Just a few years ago, we were talking about the potential of AI in very speculative terms. Now we're seeing autonomous AI agents being deployed in everything from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. It's a revolution that's happening right before our eyes, and it's crucial that we understand its implications.
Exactly. And to understand these implications, let's dive a bit deeper into what autonomous AI agents actually are. Essentially, these are AI systems that can perform tasks without being explicitly programmed for each step. They use complex algorithms and machine learning to navigate their environments, make decisions, and even learn from their experiences. It's like having a robot that can not only follow instructions, but also figure out how to improve its performance over time.
Wait, so you're saying that these AI agents are becoming more like humans in the way they learn and adapt? That's mind-blowing. And it raises so many questions about their potential and their limitations. For instance, how do we ensure that these autonomous agents are aligned with human values and goals? That they're making decisions that are in our best interest?
Those are critical questions, and addressing them requires a deep understanding of how these systems work and how they're developed. One way to think about it is to consider the concept of reinforcement learning, where an AI agent learns through trial and error by receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties for its actions. Over time, it refines its strategy to maximize the reward, which could be achieving a specific goal or completing a task efficiently.
I see. So it's a bit like training a dog, where you reward good behavior and penalize bad behavior, but instead, you're doing it with complex algorithms and vast amounts of data. But what about when these agents encounter situations that are beyond their training data? How do they handle uncertainty or ambiguity?
That's where the challenge begins. Because while AI has made tremendous progress, it still lacks the common sense and nuanced understanding that humans take for granted. There's a significant risk of these agents misinterpreting situations or making decisions that seem logical to them, but are inappropriate or even harmful in the real world.
That's a sobering thought. And it leads to the controversy surrounding autonomous AI agents. Some argue that they could displace human workers, exacerbate existing social inequalities, and even pose significant risks to safety and security. How do we mitigate these risks while still harnessing the potential of autonomous AI?
It's a delicate balance. On one hand, we need to acknowledge the benefits that autonomous AI can bring, such as increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and enhanced innovation. On the other hand, we must address the challenges head-on, through a combination of technological solutions, regulatory frameworks, and societal dialogue. This includes investing in education and retraining programs to prepare workers for an AI-driven economy and implementing strict safety and ethical standards for the development and deployment of autonomous AI agents.
That makes sense. But looking ahead, where do you think this technology is headed? Are we going to see a future where autonomous AI agents are ubiquitous, maybe even surpassing human intelligence in certain domains?
The future of autonomous AI is incredibly promising and a bit unnerving at the same time. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see autonomous agents becoming more sophisticated, capable of handling complex tasks that currently require human expertise. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, where AI could help discover new treatments or even develop personalized healthcare plans. However, it also means that we're entering a territory where the line between human and machine intelligence becomes increasingly blurred.
That's mind-blowing. And it underscores the need for ongoing research, not just in AI itself, but in the social, ethical, and economic implications of autonomous AI agents. We need to ensure that as we push the boundaries of what's possible with technology, we're also safeguarding the well-being of humanity and the planet.
Exactly. And as we conclude this episode, our hope is that listeners will have gained a deeper understanding of the rise of autonomous AI agents and the profound impact they could have on our future. It's a future that's full of potential, but also full of challenges. By engaging in this conversation now, we can work towards ensuring that the development and deployment of autonomous AI align with human values and aspirations.
So, to our listeners, thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of autonomous AI. We encourage you to continue exploring this topic, to ask questions, and to be part of the dialogue that shapes the future of AI. And if you have any thoughts or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Until next time, goodbye, and let's embrace the future with curiosity and caution.